Today I'm visiting an HDB apartment in Singapore that looks more Japanese than my home in Japan. And the person who renovated this is a Singaporean and she's very passionate about it. But the question is, does it really feel like Japan or is it Singapore's version of Japan? Let's find out. Hi Lisa, long time no see. Right, so this is Lisa. You might remember her from my last video. I did a Japan hour style video in Toa Payoh and she kindly invited us to her HDB. And now you got a renovation, huh?
Yes.
So what's the concept?
We didn't really follow any concept, but there were a lot of things that we knew we wanted, that we had in mind, that we wanted to execute, and we realized that a lot of them were aligned with how the Japanese way of living.
I see so many Japanese elements. I'm excited to check it out. Okay, can you give us a home tour one by one? All right.
So this is our entrance, and we really wanted to do something like with the ridges and a light wood color. And we wanted this cove lighting here. And these are some of the things that we've gotten from Japan. I think they are good reminders to be mindful, and that's why we brought it home.
Is that a storage?
Yeah, so over here we created some storage to put shoe.
Wow, it looks a bit cramped there.
But too many shoes.
a lot of shoes, huh?
So over here is our living area.
Wow.
And I actually flew in some tatamis from Tokyo.
Wow, this is from Japan.
Yes.
Wow, real tatami. Oh, it's like you can lift.
Yeah, I can
it's a
lift.
panel.
Yeah. So I took out one by one, then can clean also.
Wow.
Yeah.
This one, Taobao don't have a.
I'm not sure, you can check.
Maybe much cheaper also. But I mean, this is the real deal lah.
So actually when I first brought my mom to Niseko, we had a Japanese style room. So next to the bed area, there's some tatami. Then you can go like this.
And you loved it.
Yeah, so it's the kind of, I feel like it's the kind of moment that I want also in my home. I think to me it's you can gather with your family here.
Yeah.
So it's about spending time together.
I mean, I can imagine you watching TV, even got PS5, Switch. Oh, you got solid games, huh? Hogwarts, Spy Family. You even got Ghost of Tsushima, a very good game.
Actually, I wanted a kotatsu.
Kotatsu? You'll melt lah in Singapore.
Yeah, because sometimes very cold, Or on aircon, then you can this.
Lisa, I love this little tree you have.
Do you feel like you'll get enlightenment?
Oh, that's the concept. No, it's very zen. I'm sitting here. Wow, so peaceful. Your TV console also very nice. Where do you get your furniture?
Mostly by Singapore because I want to see the thing itself.
In the ceiling, you also added this thing, right? The feature.
So we made a false ceiling down so that we can create the cove lighting on top there. And that's the kind of lighting we want, because I think lighting is very important.
Yeah, it feels much more warm and inviting, I think. I actually have a housewarming gift. I don't know if you know, but I started selling sake, and we have a perfect sake for you.
Wow!
Voila, yeah. Sorry about the interruption. I just wanted to share this exciting news. You see, behind our best-selling SG sake labels are finally available in small 300 milliliter bottles. Don't you think these look so cute? To celebrate this, we are doing a Christmas promo. Buy our sake gift box or any 720 milliliter bottle to get free Christmas Furoshiki wrapping. We'll even throw in the cute Christmas tag. As for the sake gift box, it only starts from 72 Singapore dollars, and you can choose 2 bottles of your choice. If you're getting this for Christmas, I think the gin biscuit will be nice because the color is kind of Christmassy. We are even throwing in a Japanese sake glass for free. The promo ends on 31 December while stocks last. So if you're keen, check it out before it's gone.
So over here, we actually knocked down one room to create this open space so that, this wall is gone, we can create an open island with the kitchen. And then I wanted to create a study space here. Since we have a window here, then we can make use of the view also. It also creates a space for me to have my own work from home desk. Over here, we created the entrance that also can kind of see through to this area.
I guess this way, if you open the window, the wind will go through
Yeah, correct.
with nothing obstructing.
These blinds also we custom made so that it fits just nice.
By the way, Lisa, the concept of this video is, I'm Japanese, so
How do you feel?
if I find something a bit funny, a bit like Singaporean Japanese, I
Yeah.
make fun of it. Can or not?
Okay.
Can I? How confident are you? Like
I'm not
authentic?
confident.
You're not confident.
Yeah.
No, but look at that. You got a very nice phrase right here, huh?
Incense, we like the idea of it a lot.
Okay, so far you're probably Japanese more than most Japanese in Japan. Typical people don't do the incense, especially the youngsters, and I think we wouldn't have like a reminder of gratefulness as well. So you have an island cooking table.
I really like the idea of being able to talk to your, family members while you're preparing stuff, and they can also help around. So that's why we wanted to knock down the wall also, so that we can create this open space.
By the way, later I'm asking Lisa how much everything costs. So stay tuned. So I guess sometimes you eat here at the counter.
Yeah, we can eat here. So we wanted to put plugs here so they can put the hot pot, the nabe or hot pot.
Ah, okay, nice.
Yeah. Then we have had hot pot here a few times so that it continues to be staying hot. This is like a sink cover that is from the same like wood finish, and I just chose a simple lines. You can choose like zigzag and things like that to cover the sink when you're not using.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was
Why must cover sink?
to hide on kidding.
Oh yeah, true.
No lah, kidding. That means it's cleaner lah.
Put the camera here, see what you're hiding.
You can help me check.
Super clean. Oh, this is handy, huh?
Yeah.
So when you have like a random visitor like me, you can just hide.
Hide. Yeah,
Wow.
push everything inside.
Perfect. So what do you call this area?
I would say like this is our mini pantry because we
Mini
like to
pantry.
drink a lot of tea. So this place is dedicated to make tea and all our like tea collections. Actually here is all tea. I can show
Wow,
you.
hey, more tea, huh? Wow,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah.
I thought it's only here.
No. Actually here put. Yeah.
You got lifetime supply.
Shall I make you some tea?
Can?
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
let's do it. Yay. Wow, thank you so much. It smells very good.
You will have ice one because it's a hot day.
Wow, thank you, thank you. 10分ティー。
10分ティー。
あー
初めて。
初めて。いや、それはおじさん知らないですよ。美味しい。I love how it's not, too Japanese. Like some Singaporean obsessed with Japanese culture.
Yeah.
Sometimes I read article and video. It's like, wow, I don't know, too Japanese. It almost feels a bit uncomfortable for
Really?
me. It's like too much.
Extent? What was the thing that you
Like everything tatami, wood. But I can feel like yours is a good mix. It's not like totally Japanese, right? Like you said.
Yeah.
There are Japanese elements, but it's not a word you use to describe your full.
It
Yeah.
wasn't like explicitly the intention. It was just like we wanted like this.
But you like Japanese culture. What part do you like about Japan?
I think it's evolved over time as I get to know more also and learn the language.
I'm guessing initially it's like more like anime and game, right?
Yeah,
Huh.
the games that y'all create, I don't know how y'all think. Like, it makes you really like, Pokemon.
Pokemon,
So,
yeah.
I like it.
Then eventually you appreciate like the culture aspect and
Because
stuff?
you go there more, then you visit them more. I started to watch anime and try to learn the language. I always believe like learning the language is like one step towards understanding the people. There are some things that cannot be translated to English.
What's one Japanese phrase or philosophy you like?
I think something I saw recently was the art of doing nothing. And there are some like cannot be translated words like komorebi and things like that. Like super specific. Then like you realize only the Japanese people pay attention to that. That's why there's a word for it.
で日本語もペラペラとか。
下手になった。
そう上手じゃん。ペラペラ。
恥ずかしい。I also clean my fridge for you.
Oh, okay. Can I see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a fridge from our previous place. I mean, before renovation, so we kept it. But I also clean my fridge
Wow.
for you.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah.
What do you have?
No.
No, I thought you clean.
Only here.
Oh, only here. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, lots of like atas stuff lah.
No lah.
Jam.
This one we all buy from Japan. Oh.
Wow, even I never had this left.
You can eat
Wow.
it with rice.
Got some nice drinks as well. The stove also you did a complete
Stove?
renovation.
Yeah, just buy a new this one. I think it's Nihon brand, I'm not sure.
So this real fire, right?
Yeah, this one is like that. This one I just organized my pasta because I like to cook pasta.
Wow, nice. Wow, so many types. And this is all the storage. Got the laundry machine. And is this a storage as well?
Yeah, so this house doesn't have a storeroom.
Oh no, storeroom.
Yeah, we don't have
the bomb shelter.
Yeah, we don't have. This,
I saw all HDB have.
This house 1973. So we have to create storage spaces here and there. And this rounded thing is something we did to put more of our like cleaning stuff.
Oh, I love how it's curved. Wow, this also adds up. Huh?
Yeah, add to the cost.
Wow.
No choice. Money can earn back.
And next to it, you also have.
So we created this mini sink area for outside the toilet. And then I chose this bowl because I wanted a bowl kind of sink. Bowl sitting on top of the. Then I chose this because I wanted the water to flow out.
I love how it's so bright and the touch of the greens. So your toilet doesn't have the sink.
No.
Oh, interesting.
You can take a look here.
Was it always like that pre-renovation also?
Yeah. So last time the sink was here.
Oh, okay.
Then now
So
I
you
shift
moved
to have
it.
its own area.
Oh, even the toilet fancier. Oh, this one also curved down.
Over here we curved the walls. Actually, it's an extension of the previous size of the bathroom. So we extended the dry area so the inside can make something.
This is what?
This is a bathroom. So I will turn on the lights.
Oh my god. Wait. Do I see a Japanese style onsen? Can I go inside?
Please.
Wow! Lisa, you gotta tell me about your bathroom. But bathtub can HDB. I thought.
Yeah, just have to get approval.
Subject to approval, and there are regulations, right? You have to follow.
There are certain sets, so you just follow.
Wow, you're so lucky you have this beautiful Japanese style onsen.
Yeah.
It has the real feel and there's wood here. But the bigger question is, do you really need a bathtub in Singapore? It's so hot.
I think, yeah, you can put cold water also. But you know, like I see people now, after work, a long day, they will definitely have a bath.
Yeah, it's a great way to wind down.
Yeah, it makes such a difference. Like when I was staying in Japan, every day there's onsen in the hotel.
Yeah.
I will just go. And it makes so much of a difference.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it makes me feel like I want to have that after I work.
But can I ask you a question? Don't lie, how many times a week you use?
A week, maybe one.
One? Okay, well, not bad.
I wanted like wood doors for all the in the house,
beautiful.
but inside my theme is darker.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, your room.
I wanted this kind of feel. That's why they are all darker wood as well. And here as well.
It's like a hotel.
I want like this.
Yeah, also elevated, so it really feels like a hotel.
Over here I wanted sliding door because I wanted it to be like a hotel also. So over here, to suit my own needs, I need like a vanity. This is like my own area to use.
To do makeup and all that.
I think in the past all the things were all over. So now that I created this area, my hairdryer can also be here because I created a plug and things like that.
I love how you also have a sofa.
So like people can chill there when they come to my room.
Wow. And this is your work desk, but you already have your work desk here.
Yeah,
So.
I do my makeup here.
Oh, makeup here.
Yeah, so like I use these spotlights as well.
Yeah, I thought the makeup was there just now.
Look like dry hair, skincare.
You need dedicated place for this.
Sometimes the lighting was very bad there.
Oh, guys will never understand. Oh, you also have oshare.
Actually, I bought it from Kyoto.
Kyoto, this one.
Then I can carry back to Tokyo.
Wow.
Then I can carry back to Singapore.
Wow, so much work.
So over here is like my Japanese city pot. And there's one more Yumi Alive. Then these are all Ariana Grande. All her albums I have.
I love it. You integrate your hobby into your bedroom. And again, I love this part. Feels like a hotel.
And this is my parents' room.
Oh,
Yeah. It's very simple. My mom just wanted something zen and simple as well lah.
Lisa, I love your home. You know, because I know the before. It's really a big change. Last time was nice too. Lots of green. But now it's like a hotel.
I'm glad you liked it.
Got character as well, like Japanese. I know you appreciate Japanese subculture, Japanese inspirational quotes scattered around, and of course the bathtub. Beautiful. However, the question is dosha. You know, I think a lot of people, curious how much was the total cost of renovation?
Total will be around 100k.
100k.
Yeah.
But I can tell because, I can tell this is a lot of work. It can be like 20, 30k. Are you happy about the result?
Yeah, definitely. We moved in for a year plus now, and sometimes we still think back like, thankfully we did all this. I mean, going through reno is always like a roller coaster journey, but we're always like very thankful that we still decided to do it because it's the space you come home to every day.
Yeah. It will directly affect your life. What's your favorite corner of your house?
I want to say my room, but after coming and sitting here, I also like it. And then going to the bathroom,
Yeah.
I can spend my time and take my time there.
What is it like living in Toa Payoh? You like it or not?
Yeah, I mean it has been my home since primary school. Yeah, so it feels comfortable.
Very
And-
central.
Yeah, you're right.
Orchard, how many stations?
3 stations.
Like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the most central neighborhoods in Singapore. You're so lucky because I remember talking to my Japanese viewer. She lived in Yishun.
Oh.
So she said like she want to invite her friends to her home, but she feel paiseh because it's so far and dangerous. I mean, of course, the dangerous part, dangerous part is a joke, but it's far lah compared to here.
It's very difficult to invite friends to our house because it's very far from everything.
Yeah, so you're very lucky. I mean, Toa Payoh is a beautiful neighborhood. It's so lively but calm at the same time. I love it. Lastly, do you want to share any renovation tips if you have? Like some mistakes you'd avoid next time if have?
I think the measurements.
Measurements.
So like this one also, I had to measure so that it fit 3 by 3. Then this thing still fits.
Wait. That's I'm laughing so hard because we actually screwed up on the measurements.
Really?
We bought a closet from IKEA, and when we set up, it didn't fit. So it cannot stand. It's like so basic, but we didn't do correctly.
Yeah.
So yeah, do your measurements correctly. Thanks, Lisa.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye.